Okay, so these surveillance cameras are really, really nice. It's smaller than I anticipated, which I actually like. It has a short USB cord, but it was easy to just use a extension cord to get it high enough on my walls. And then this sticker comes, the 3M tape that sticks, and then you just peel off this red part and then stick it where you want it on the wall. There's the speaker that is two-way, so you can hear what's going on in the room, and you can also talk to the people in the room from your phone once you install and enable the app. I like everything about these cameras so far. They have a really good photo quality and sound quality. My husband even called the kids from work and was able to talk to them in their bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we have.
Hi guys, I just received my Laview Wi-Fi security camera. Just unboxed it, and it came with two cameras. Has the stickies to make sure that your camera doesn't get scratched up. It came with two Android plugs that go into the back of each device, and with a plug port that your USB goes into, and then you plug into the wall. You have two SD cards, one for each. And you take the SD card, and on the side here, you're going to put the SD card in the little sides here. And once you've done that, you can go and download the Laview app onto your phone. And so once you do that, and if you want to look for it, it's going to have the I symbol. And once you find the I symbol, that's it. Then you just click register, and you agree to the terms, and then you go ahead and enter your email. And then once you enter your email, you have to get your verification code sent from your email. And then once you get that code, you're pretty much in there, and then you can begin your setup. Looking forward to using these. I've heard nothing but great information about it, which is why I purchased for myself. And that's my Laview camera. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, Jesus. I have to push it down in there. There you go. You'll hear a click once you push it down in there, and then you know it's set in each one. And then you're good to go. You set them up wherever you like in your house. You have the stickies that goes on the back. So if you want to stick them upside down and then move your camera this way, or you can. Or if you want to just set it up on your desk, you don't even need these to do that. Or set it up wherever you like. You won't need these. But these do come in handy for if you want to stick them to the wall. Thank you for watching my video.
So to connect your Alexa to your Laview camera, you open up your Alexa app, hit the menu button in that top left, open Skills and Games, look at the search button, type in Laview, it's that first one with the eye on it. It's going to ask if you want to enable it. You're going to say yes. Then you're going to go to your devices. You're going to add a device. Add the camera. Go to Other. And hit Discover Devices. It'll find the Laview. You'll verify it. Hit yes. And then it'll be all set.